Welcome to another professional and elegant design from Design with Farhad YouTube channel. Today we are going to take inspiration from WhatsApp Messenger application and design a professional business card. Stay tuned, you will learn great skills. Let's dive in. Before that, do not forget to subscribe if you haven't done it already. So let's start our design by creating a new file. I'm going to specify its dimensions, name, resolution and color mode and hit create. The file is ready to get designed. Here I am going to open the WhatsApp brand color to guide me through my design. Place it in the bottom corner for referencing later. I am going to start the first part of our design. I will start with the name and position of the card holder. I am going to copy the text and place it on the text layer in the file. Then I will start working on its look and feel. To do so, I will play with its size, variation, color, position, alignment and so on until I get the proper look and feel I want for my design. Now that the title is placed, I am going to add a green background to the design to get the feel of WhatsApp style. To do so, I take a shape tool, fill it with sample color, draw a rectangular shape to fill the whole design. Then I will place the title at the center of the design and change its color to white. After finishing background, it's time to add the picture of the card holder. To get it right, I am going to add a circle shape filled with brighter green. Then duplicate the layer, change the new layer color to darker green, make its size smaller by changing the width and height from properties. Then I go to my computer to add the image. I import the image and place it atop the darker circle, clip it to the layer and adjust its size until it looks perfect. At the end, I am going to group the related layers and give it proper name for better management. When finished, I tweak the title a little bit more to better fit in the design. Then, as the last bit, I import a contact icon from my computer and place it at the bottom to finish this part of my card design. Feel free to adjust the position, alignment, and the size of the card so that it fits better to the overall look of our design. You should take your time so that at the end it looks perfect. The front side of the card is finished. I am going to duplicate this file, give it a proper name and start designing the back side of the card where the whole contact information will be placed. First, I am saving this file. Then I delete the unrelated information from this file. After that, I will work on the background by increasing the size of the green background to 1/5 of the page and place it at the top. Duplicate this layer, resize it to cover the lower part of the background. Then change its color to the white tint from the color sample. better manage their layers, I name them accordingly. Then I will add some guidelines to support my accuracy. When finished, it's time to add and adjust the content and design elements on the top of the page. I will relocate the name of the card holder, delete the unnecessary text, resize it, place it at the top left corner, then place the search icon, and then I am going to create the view more option by creating 3 vertical square shapes and place them at the top right side of the search icon. At the end, I tweak things a little bit more to better fit here. Okay, let's create similar menu tabs on the top section. I'm going to take the text from my notepad, place it at the top section in its own text layer. Adjust their sizes, change their colors, work on their positioning and as well as its spacing. To show the chat tab active, I add a little underline shape and color it the same as the lower part background. When finished, I am going to add a camera icon to depict the camera upwards up. Adjust its size. Place it at the top right side of the menu element and tweak it a little bit more for better positioning. The first section is finished. I am going to add the second section's elements. First, I am going to copy the name and position of the card holder from the front design file and place it here to save some time before it is designed. I will work on its size and alignment to make it fit with this part of the design better. Now it's time to bring in the contact information. I will copy them from the assets file, draw a text box shape and paste them here. Select all of the text and decrease their sizes, adjust their spacing, remove unnecessary text, put a bigger line space between each line for better user experience. In this part, I will select all the required icons from my assets folder, drag them on the design file and hit enter for each of them to be placed on its own layer. When finished, I will select all of them and decrease their sizes to a certain percentage, place each of them on their proper location. At the end, tweak some more spacing and alignment to make sure they are best adjusted in the overall design. Okay everyone, we are almost done. I will do some final touches to all the elements on the page and make sure that everything is blending easily and accurately on the design surface. I will tweak the title, the icons and adjust their sizes, their spacing and their alignment until I am satisfied with the final result. It is a very good practice to take your time and look over your final design to do final adjustments. It would make a ton of differences and let you notice any smaller requirement and adjustments. When your final retouches are finished, save an open file version to your project folder and export the file to all the destination formats as well. I hope you have learned new skills and have learned a new perspective on how to design ideas. Do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends. Like the video and comment your thoughts about it. Until next time, take care and explore new ideas.